Welcome to the Imran.Family kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make Middle Eastern garlic turmeric rice. So this was extremely packed full of flavor, and it's got the added benefit of turmeric. Absolute gem of a spice. So we're gonna move on to a recipe right now. But before we do so, hang on towards the end of the video to see the benefits of this wonderful spice by the name of turmeric.
So we are going to move on to the health benefits of this.
Turmeric, which in the subcontinent is commonly called haldi, has been used for thousands of years, not only just as a spice, but also as a medicinal herb. Turmeric has many tremendous benefits. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to mention some standout ones that I found. So number one, turmeric is known to increase the antioxidant capacity of the body. This is amazing if you want to slow down aging. Another benefit is that curcumin is the main active ingredient found in turmeric. Not only is it a strong antioxidant, it has very strong anti-inflammatory effects. Interestingly, curcumin has the ability to boost BDNF, which is a type of growth hormone that functions in your brain. So as a result, it is beneficial in that it's effective in delaying or reversing many age-related decreases in brain function, as well as many brain diseases. Turmeric may be very useful in preventing cancer, as well as preventing and treating Alzheimer's. Turmeric should also be able to lower the risk of heart disease, which is so useful to know when considering heart disease is the #1 cause of death in the world. So there you go, guys. These are some of the benefits out of many benefits as to why you should have turmeric. And go ahead and follow today's recipe. And go ahead and start adding some turmeric into your food and beverages.
Okay, you saw us making this wonderful dish. And with that said, like this video, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, hit the notification bell icon so that you're informed of our daily releases, share this content to as many people as possible, comment below whether you are going to try this out or whether you have any requests, because we do for people requests. And with that said, catch you in the next one.